Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to do a color white what polish, body polish, which is going to help your skin to lighten up very fast. And this is a Morato soap. So first I'm going to be mixing my color white. So I'll take a little bit of color white. Next I'm going to be using Vaseline the Blue Sea, which helps to tone and aging on the skin and leave your skin moisturized and very glowing. So I'll take a little bit of Vaseline. So next I'm going to be adding in Pow Pow oil. So I'm going to start mixing it. So next I'm going to be adding in salt. So it's okay with you can add in sugar, but I'm going to be adding in salt because salt, if at all you don't get irritated because of salt, you can add in salt. But if you get irritated because of salt, you can add in sugar. So keep mixing. Make sure that the salt gets mixed all the way. So next I'm going to be adding in Stretch Mark Preventer Shalom as my best brand. Always make sure that when you're using a lightening cream, so I'll just put drops. Okay, again I'll mix. So next I'm going to be adding in Dettol antiseptic liquid. This is going to prevent your skin from getting rashes, pimples and getting burnt. So I'm going to be adding in drops since it is little. This is a body polish. So now as you can see how it looks like. So after that, all you have to do, just get a little bit of it, apply on your skin like this. Then you start polishing on your skin like this. You can keep this for 2 to 3 weeks while using it. All you have to do, you just have to get a clean container, then you keep it in a container for, you can keep it for 3 weeks or 2 weeks while using it every day. So this is very good. It's going to give you 2 to 3 shades after in just 1 week. Remember, you have added Vaseline, which is going to help your skin to be moisturized and leave it nourished and also shining. So just see, this is going to lighten your skin, at the same time it's going to leave it clean and clear and also lightened, as you can see. Okay guys, love you all. I'll see you in the next